We get right to it. Newmarfoot, Southview St. John's Titans. Brandon Horman throw down to second. Perfect throw to get the runner on the attempted steal.
Very well. It's tough to decipher between the two.
Called strike. Throw down to second in plenty of time to get Hurley.
Number 4, Anthony Wayne, Notre Dame Academy. Ball hit to Sabrina Kirshner. Bobbles it. Recovers. Throws home. And gets the out at the plate.
Digging in from the right side, first pitch swinging. This is Leah Klakowski, and this ball booted by Kirshner. They're going to go ahead and wave the runner around third. The throw is on the money. The tag, they got her.
Good snag by the catcher, too. Number 3, hit down to third. Nice backhand here by Tim Oregon Jr. Throw over to first. Gets out. He plays hockey and baseball in a hot corner.
That's very true. Pulls to third. Nice play by Oregon. Backhand throws. Got
it. Number 2, Maumee and Wapakoneta. Redskins with the drive out to center. Off the wall, but check out the relay by Devin Cleghorn to Justin Studenka to Austin Parkin, and they get him at the plate. Great scoop at home, too, for the out.
We'll score at least one. It's going to get another one in, too, Brad. And here comes the relay. Play at the plate, and he is out.
But number 1, boys high school lacrosse, Jacob Peets, working. He's got a stick stuck to him, and then he throws it in. What?
And almost triple team there on Peets, and now he draws a flag. Backhand shot, and he scores. My goodness, what an effort from Peets.